If your phone or tablet doesn't come with MagSafe magnet rings inside, you don't have to miss out. All you need is a MagSafe magnetic ring kit like this one by Spigen. Now the world of MagSafe is at your fingertip, and you can use all these great MagSafe accessories like MagSafe car mounts, phone chargers, phone mounts, MagSafe tripod selfie sticks, to MagSafe wallets, and more. In this video, we'll take a look at what is important to know about the Spigen MagSafe magnet ring, and why choosing one that is made of magnets instead of metal is a better choice.
Frakking Creations, showing you the good stuff.
The Spigen MagSafe magnet ring comes in 3 versions: white, black, and carbon fiber look. I initially thought the carbon fiber look was very nice, but after using it for some time, the carbon fiber look surface has mostly worn away. It almost looks like the black version now. If I had to choose again, I would pick the white one as it would contrast nicely with the case I have. This is one of the better MagSafe ring kits available out there. I prefer ones like these because they are made with actual rare earth magnets inside. This means better holding ability than the ones made using metal, and the ring will self-align better for best hold. The downside of magnet versions is that they tend to be a tiny bit thicker, so if you need a thinner MagSafe ring, then a metal one like the ESR MagSafe ring may be better for you. If you want to mount your phone using MagSafe to a wall or anything else custom, you will need the mounting side MagSafe ring kit. These have different polarity of magnets inside so that the two will attract. 2 device side MagSafe rings won't work because they will repel. Though there are many phone cases that come with MagSafe rings built in some cases, like for me, the phone case I want does not come with that option, so a MagSafe ring kit like this works well. The kit comes with 1 ring and a nice install tool that is pretty easy to use. You just have to clean the surface, peel the backing on the double-sided tape, and then line the guide up so that the ring is centered. Then press down on the center to transfer the ring to the device. Lastly, press down around the ring to ensure proper adhesion. To align to the center of the phone, all the measurement markings should be the same number. If your phone has wireless charging, then there will be a wireless charging coil inside. You will want the ring centered to match the coil. Usually the coil is centered, but in some phones it is slightly offset, either slightly higher or lower vertically. Make sure to check for your specific phone before installing. Note that though the coil is centered on this phone, I had to install the MagSafe ring lower so that it fits properly and doesn't hang over the lens cutout. Other than the worn surface of my carbon fiber Spigen MagSafe ring, the ring has performed well, and I still love using it on many different MagSafe accessories. For more info on MagSafe rings and installing them, check out our 2 extended videos.